Hi, I'm Mr. Center Guy, and today I will make an unboxing of my new phone, the Motorola Moto G8 Power. But is it worth it? The unboxing is pretty simple. Only the most necessary things. Just the phone. Some manuals. And a SIM removal tool. And finally a turbocharger and a wire. Okay, that was okay unboxing experience with all these things. But I think we should look at all the things we've got in the box. By the way, the review is coming soon. Okay, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, the phone has IPS LCD screen with a 1080x2300 pixels resolution. It runs Android 10 DATS in most countries not included. Denmark is upgradable to Android 11. The phone has a Qualcomm SDM665 Snapdragon 665 chipset and 4GB of RAM. And the rear camera can record 4K, but the front facing can only record 1080p. And because of this it is kinda wild that it only costs $185.